Hey everybody, it's Dr. O'Connell, and welcome to this week's episode of Empowering Indigenous Health. I'm so excited to tell you today that the Johnson & Johnson vaccine has been approved for emergency use authorization for COVID-19, which means we now have 3 vaccines available within the US to fight COVID-19. So let's talk a little bit about it. The J&J vaccine works a little bit differently than the other vaccines that have been approved. It uses a viral vector to carry DNA into our cells, and then our cells turn that DNA into a spike protein. Our bodies then attack the spike protein like we've learned about before and can attack the coronavirus in the future if we ever see it. However, because this DNA is contained within this viral vector, which is a modified cold virus that can't make us sick, the DNA is a little bit protected. Because of that, the J&J vaccine doesn't require super cold storage, making it easier to transport and store. Also, the J&J vaccine only requires 1 shot, not 2. So if you're given the J&J vaccine, you only need a single dose, just 1 shot. The J&J vaccine has gone through the same clinical trials and review process as the other vaccines. It's been shown to be 66% effective at preventing moderate to severe disease and 85% effective at preventing hospitalizations, which is really great. When you get the J&J vaccine, you might have some of the similar side effects as with the other coronavirus vaccines, because side effects, as we know, are mostly due to our body's response to the vaccine and not from anything that's caused by the vaccine itself. We strongly encourage you to get the vaccine, whichever one you're offered, whenever you're offered it. All of the vaccines that are currently available provide great protection against coronavirus for you and our communities, and they are a necessary tool in ending the pandemic. If you have questions about the J&J vaccine or other vaccines, please visit these websites. Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Empowering Indigenous Health, where we give you the facts you need to take control of your health and wellness.